You are welcome again to another tutorial, and today we are going to be talking about reading the tape rule. So here we have, as we all know, on your tape rule you have some tiny lines on it, and the most common of it is the ½ inch and the 1 inch. So now I'm going to be breaking down how to read each of those lines on your tape rule. How to read each. We have 8 lines before you get to 1 inch. Yes, we have 8 lines. We have 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8 before you get to 1 inch. So I'm going to be explaining it to you in this video. Now this is your tape rule. As I said earlier, I said you have 8. If you are going to count it now, you are going to start from 1, that tiny line, the smallest one. That's the first line. That is 1/8. Then the next one is 2/8. Then the next one is 3/8, 4/8. As you can see, the 4/8 is longer. That's the ½ inch. 4/8 is longer, is 0.5, which is ½ inch. Now we have 5/8, 6/8, 7/8 before we get to 8/8, which is the longest one, which stands for 1 inch. So we have 8 of those lines, and this is significant and very important because you don't just approximate numbers anyhow. You need to know what each of those lines represent. So this is it here. I'm going to be breaking it down for us. This is a representation of our tape rule. Now we have the first one, the 1/8. If you divide 1/8, that is 1 divided by 8, is going to give you 0.125 inches. 0.125, followed by the next one. You know, the next one is usually a bit longer too. It is 0.25, followed by the next one 0.375, followed by the next one 0.5, which is the ½ inch, the common one. Now this is not hard, it's not difficult. Just take your calculator and do 1/8, 2/8, 3. I did it in this video. If you check very well, we are going to understand. Now look at from 3 inches. You can see we have 3.125, 3.25. Let's assume you measure your client, and your client is maybe the person's measurement is 34.25. You can know how to bring out 34.25 on your tape measure. You don't just approximate it and say, okay, it's not 34.5, because every line on your tape rule matters. So that is all about today's tutorial. See you next time.